Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to wire a light sensor. First, we need the brightness sensor itself. As you can see, it has 4 pins, 2 for power and 2 for signal. The sensor operates on 5 volts, and it's very important to connect it to 5 volts, as it will be damaged if connected to 12 volts. Now, let's begin. First, connect the positive pin, followed by the negative pin, and then the signal pins. This sensor needs 2 communication pins, and in our case, we'll use pin 2 for SDA and pin 3 for SCL. Next, we power up the system. Make sure the sensor lens is positioned correctly. It should face the appropriate direction. Once everything is connected, open the partner app. Select your controller, click on Configurable I/O, and hit the Add button. From there, select the brightness sensor. Name it Brightness Sensor. Then select the correct pins for SDA, pin 2, and SCL, pin 3, and finally click Submit. Now, hit Submit and Done. Next, we move to the user app. Go to Menu Settings, Dashboards, then select Academy. Make sure to display it on your I/O's dashboard. As you can see, the brightness sensor value changes beautifully, depending on how much light is blocked from the sensor. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.